Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Houseplantpixie. For everyone that's new to my channel, my name is Monique. I hope you're all well. And today we're talking about Cerestis mirabilis. Just look at those leaves. Yep, when I first saw this plant, I thought, oh my god, I'll have to have it. Anyway, these guys are native to Africa and it's doing really well, this plant, in my environment I created, and I thought I'd just share my tips so you guys can have amazing, massive leaves. I'm still stoked and I can't wait. There's a new leaf forming and I might actually give it a bit of fertilizer. I have not even fertilized this plant and it's just, look at it. When I first got this plant, it had this tiny leaf there. And this one, I think. And that one there. I was very nervous when I got this plant because the seller told me the plant is not too happy. And I thought, oh, I'm gonna try it. Let's see how we go. And yeah, it was the best decision ever. So let's dive into the care for this guy. It's in my plant room, which has a north-facing window, but where this guy is located, so this guy is on my LED plant shelf, which sorry, I'm so excited, I can't even talk properly. I'll link the video of the plant shelf and the LED lights in my description box below. So it's not a secret, you can do it yourself in your own home. And yeah, that's what it's all about, sharing your experience, and you guys can just set it up yourself. All right, so I blend in a little picture where this guy is sitting. So it gets really bright light, indirect light, so no sunlight touching these leaves. And also because of the light setup, they come on, I think it's 6 o'clock in the morning and turn off at 8 p.m. So a very long period of light, especially for when it's the winter month. But yeah, I think because pumped out these leaves. So cool. All right, the next thing, potting mix. It's in my, call it my Orchid mix. It's really chunky. Again, I got another video. I can link that in the description box below, or you can just have a look, guys. It's in my videos where so you can actually see what I put together and how much of it. And yeah, again, it's not a big secret, you can all do it. What's next? This guy is in a self-watering pot. Not sure if that would make a difference, but for anyone that doesn't know how these guys work, so it basically has a false bottom to about here, where all the excess water drains into. And yeah, with the watering, as for all my plants, I go by once a week, but in winter time, you gotta check. Take your finger, put it all the way to your knuckle in the soil. And if there's still, you feel it if it's moist or not. You can use a water meter. I'm not a big fan of water meters. I had a friend, she used a water meter and it was broken. Yeah, totally overwatered her plant, but she saved it, so it's all good. What else? I haven't even fertilized this guy. I'm a bit hesitant because it had this browning on these other leaves, and fertilizer burn is real, guys. If I do use fertilizer, I use granules and I only use very little. I have heard there is good liquid fertilizer. I haven't made up my mind what I'm going to use on this guy, but I let you know. And I'm going to give it a fertilize very soon because I want to help this third leaf. I don't know, can you see it there? This here. That is the next leaf coming out and I can't wait. So what else? We covered the light, we covered the soil, humidity. These guys need lots of humidity. So in that plant room, I have a humidifier who's got a humidity stat. So I set it on, I think it's 70% humidity. And as soon as it drops below 70% humidity, the humidifier kicks in. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. You have the grow lights that come on and turn off on a timer. You have the humidifier that turns on and off. So it's nothing for you to really do to get excellent results. So it's amazing. Yeah, that's why I really want to set up another plant shelf. I'm just going to sell the couch. Yep, and that's where you realize, I think, when you start selling the furniture, that you got a real problem. Okay. All right. Yep, 70% humidity at all times. And I think that's about it. There's not much more I can tell you. What probably helps a little bit is on the shelf. It is next to and amongst other plants, and I think if you put plants together, if you cluster them, say like plants like Calathea that need high humidity, I think they support each other, and I just simply have no room. That's why I have them so close together, and I think it looks nice. So yeah, I hope you liked this video, and some of you, I posted a photo of this guy on Facebook, and some of you commented, thank you so much. I'm absolutely amazed by how many people love this plant, and that's what it's all about. I inspired a few people to get this plant, and now I want to help you to achieve, what I achieved. I would have never thought. I'm super grateful that this plant has turned out like that, and I hope it continues. That's why I'm a bit hesitant with the fertilizer. I don't really want to fertilize it and then it gets brown edges or anything, just because I wanted it to grow bigger. Because I believe if you give the plant the three things, like which is the right soil, the right water, like not too much. Your plants are very forgiving. I can't stress it enough. Rather underwater than overwater. And the right light conditions. They're the three main things. And if you get them right, I don't think there is much fertilizer needed. But that's that's a personal thing. All right. I'll see you next time. I hope you liked this video. Give it a like if you did, and stay planty. Bye.